Good day! Are we digitally ready? This is a question that teachers and learners are probably asking right now. With the advent of DepEd's Digital Rights program, the Open Educational Resources, or OER, was woven together and finally realized. This project prioritizes the necessity to enhance the digital literacy skills of every teacher and learner in the country. Our OER mission is to connect the disconnected. OER is indeed an innovative initiative with a lofty aim to get disconnected schools and last-mile schools connected through ICT even without an internet connection.
It is designed to cater to the need of these schools for interactivity, digitalization, and delivery of 21st century skills that will ensure that every learner is future ready. Join us in another training workshop and learn more about open educational resources, whose primary purpose is to provide support and assistance to learners and teachers in this rapid advancement of technology. Our goal is to build and strengthen the capabilities of public and private teachers, school heads, and supervisors by teaching you to create and design interactive, localized, and contextualized instructional materials for teaching using basic, advanced, and proficiency software and tools. Surely, this will be another exciting and engaging webinar training workshop. Together, let's all rise amidst this crisis. Para sa bata, para sa bayan, para sa guro. Sulong edukalidad!
Magandang araw, Sir Wilbur po, at your service. Narito ang ETUlay upang gabayan ka sa inyong pag-aaral upang lubos na maunawaan ang iba't ibang paksa o subject. Ang ETUlay ay isang free online tutorial class na pinangungunahan ng ICT's Educational Technology Unit sa pamumuno ni Undersecretary Elaine Del P. Pascua. Ang programang ito ay hindi lamang para sa mga bata, kundi ito rin ay magsisilbing gabay sa mga magulang at mga guro kung paano nila ituturo o gagabayan sa bawat asignatura ang kanilang mga anak o mga estudyante. Sa kasalukuyan, ang self-learning module mula sa rehiyon ng Calabarzon at kilala sa tawag na Pivot ang ginagamit sa ating ETUlay online class. Kaya ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Ihanda na ang inyong mga ballpen o lapis, papel o kwaderno at samahan kaming itulay ang pagkatuto para sa bawat batang Pilipino. Sama-sama tayong magtutulungan para malampasan ang mga hamon sa panahong ito. Halina't matuto kasama ang inyong online tutor sa oras na ito.
Ayan, so good afternoon sa mga viewers natin, sa mga magulang, sa mga guro, at higit sa lahat sa mga estudyanteng nanonood sa atin. So welcome back to our online tutorial session. So again, I am Teacher Rose Ann or Tutor Rose Ann. So sama-sama muli tayo ngayong Biyernes, 1:40 to 2:20 p.m. para matuto sa mathematics. Okay, now, ngayon ay nasa quarter 3, week 6 na tayo. Okay, ang ating lesson for today ay interior and exterior angles of Polygon. So, shout out muna sa ating mga viewers, kay Gabriel Kerubin, Jade Abby, good afternoon din, Regine Alejado. Okay, so Jade Abby watching from Dasmariñas Integrated High School. So good afternoon po at sa iba pa nating mga viewers. Okay, so our objectives for today: derive inductively the relationships of exterior and interior angles of a convex polygon. Determine the sum of the measure of the exterior and interior angles of a convex polygon and demonstrate appreciation of geometric shapes and its relationships. Okay. Okay, so let's have this first. So parang review na rin natin to from our previous lesson. Okay, so let's have number 1. Okay, which of these figures are considered convex polygons? So, A, is it the figure A, B, C, or D? So, what do you think is the convex polygon? Good afternoon din kay kay Adelina Parnacio. Good afternoon po. Okay, so paki-comment nga, alin ang convex polygon dito? Is it A, B, C, or D? Sabi ni Ray Mangubat, letter A. So how about the others? Ano kaya? Okay, so the convex polygon here is, yes, letter A. So yes, tama rin si Jade Abby. Okay, next, let's have number 2. Okay, what is a polygon? So based sa ating discussion last week, what is a polygon? Is it a closed figure made up of straight line segments? Letter B, a closed figure made up of curved edges. C, an open figure made up of straight line segments. Or D, a closed figure made up of cross line segments. Good afternoon din po, Glenda Taiza. Okay, so what is a polygon? Is it A, B, C, or D? Okay, si Jade Abby, meron na ulit sagot. Number 2 daw ay A. Okay, Ray Mangubat, Regine Alejado. So sabi nila is A. So the correct answer is yes, letter A. A closed figure siya na made up of straight line segments. So hindi siya pwedeng magkaroon ng curve. Hindi rin siya maging open figure. Hindi siya pwedeng maging open figure. Okay, a polygon has to have blank. A, at least 2 sides. B, at least 3 sides. C, 4 or more sides. Or D, no side. Okay, so what's the answer? Number 3. Ano daw ang polygon? It has to have at least, yes, at least 3 sides, di ba? Kasi ang triangle natin has 3 sides at consider siya as a polygon. Okay. Si Gabriel Kerubin, 3, letter B. Ray Mangubat, yes, it's B. Okay. Next. What do you call a 6-sided polygon? So, anong tawag? Diba, last week, nag-name tayo ng mga polygon. So, anong tawag dun sa polygon na may 6 sides? Okay, is it a heptagon? B, a hexagon? C, a henagon? Or D, pentagon? Okay. Number 4, ano tawag sa 6-sided polygon? Catlea Soriano, watching from Ingud Ramona Integrated School. Okay. Number 4 daw is B. Sabi ni Ray Corbin. Okay, Regine Alejado. Okay, so that is a, yes, letter B, hexagon. Okay. Next. Oh, how about this? Oh, ito. What is a diagonal? What do you think is a diagonal? Okay, a polygon with 4 sides. Is it a polygon with 4 sides? Letter B, a 90-degree angle. C, a segment that cuts through a polygon at 45 degrees. Or D, a segment that connects any 2 non-consecutive vertices in a polygon. So, ano ba yung diagonal? Do you know what is a diagonal? Number 5. What do you think is a diagonal? Sabi po ni Gabriel Kerubin, 5. Letter D. Ray Mangubat, D. Okay, so the correct answer is yes, letter D. A segment that connects any 2 non-consecutive vertices in a polygon. Okay, so now, let's move to our discussion. So, determining the sum of the measure of the interior and exterior angle of a triangle. So, for example, we have here a triangle, okay? So, nakikita yung triangle natin. Wherein we have here the angle A, B, and C. Okay, so ang tawag sa 3 angles na yan ay interior angles. Interior, when we say interior, nasa loob, okay? Yung tatlong angles na to ay nasa loob ng ating figure o ng ating polygon. So, the interior angles are angle A, angle B, and angle C. Okay, now, if we, and of course, as we all know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. So kapag pinag-add ang mga measurement ng angles A, B, and C, that will be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, now, if we extend the sides of this triangle, di ba? Magkakaroon tayo ng panibagong mga angles. So let's have this as angle 1, angle 2. Okay, so let's have this as angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6. Okay, so nakabuo tayo nakabuo tayo ng mga angles outside, okay? Outside the polygon. So we have the angle 1, angle 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So ang tawag naman sa mga angles na yan ay exterior angles. Nasa labas, exterior. So we have the angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, and angle 6 as our exterior angles. Okay, now, so for example, again, we have here a triangle ABC. Nag-extend tayo ng mga sides. Okay, nakabuo tayo mga exterior angles. So from here, we have here the exterior angles 1, angle 2, and angle 3. Okay, kung mapapansin natin, okay, si angle A at saka si angle 1, ito, okay, linear pair sila. Okay, nakabuo sila or linear pair sila. And when we say linear pair, okay, ang sum ng kanilang angle ay 180 degrees also. So, sulat natin, angle A plus angle 1 is equals to 180 degrees. Kasi sila ay linear pair. So, ibig sabihin sila ay supplementary angles. Okay? And then, we also have here the angle B. Okay? And angle 2. Okay? Na linear pair din. And, of course, they are supplementary. So, ibig sabihin, si angle B plus angle 2 is equals also to 180 degrees. And so, with angle C and angle 3, linear pair din sila. So, they are all equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so pag pinagsama-sama natin sila, kapag inad natin sila, so 180 plus 180, that is 360, plus 180, that is 540 degrees. Yun ay yung sum ng interior and exterior angle. But how about if ang hinahanap lang natin ay exterior? Kasi alam na natin si interior angles eh. Alam natin yung sum. Okay? Sum ng interior angles natin ay 180 degrees. How about kapag exterior angle lang? Ang hinahanap lang natin ay si angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. Pero meron tayo ditong 540 degrees na sum ng measures ng interior and exterior angles. So, we have to subtract the angle A, angle B, and angle C. Subtract natin sila. So, X natin sila. So, subtract natin minus. So, the sum of the interior angles is 180 degrees. So, subtract lang natin si 180 degrees or ito ay yung interior ha. So, lagay natin interior angles. Okay. So, therefore, 540 degrees minus 180 degrees is what? Paki-comment na. What is the answer? 540 degrees minus 180 degrees, that would be? What's the answer? Sige nga, paki-comment po. That would be? Yes, 360 degrees. Okay, so that is the sum of the exterior angle. Exterior angles. Okay? So, yes. Ayan po si Sir Chino. Okay, si Ray Mangbat. Catlea Soriano. Nelea is 460. So, siguro may typographical si Nelea. Okay, Jade Abby. Yes, that is 360 degrees. So, the sum of exterior angle of a triangle is 360 degrees. Okay, next, how about this? Sum of the interior. Sige, magsimula tayo sa interior angles ng isang quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral, ay, ano ba yan? Nabulol na si ma'am. Quadrilateral, so we have four sides. Okay, a four-sided polygon. So, paano naman natin kukunin ang interior angles or sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral? Okay, so interior angles natin dito, we have the angle A, angle B, C, and angle D. Okay, so if we connect these two vertex, ito, okay, if we connect using a line segment, and by the way, that is what we call the diagonal, okay? Yan tinatawag nating diagonal. Kinoconnect niya yung dalawang vertex na non-consecutive, hindi magkasunod na vertex, okay? Okay, so yun yung tinatawag nating diagonal. Okay, so we have here a diagonal. Magkakaroon tayo ng panibagong mga angles. So we have here the angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. Okay, now if you notice, we created two triangles. Okay, meron na tayong two triangles dito. So, from a quadrilateral, nagkaroon tayo ng dalawang triangles. So, we have the triangle 2A1 and the triangle 4C3. Okay? So, again, the triangle 2A1, ito, and the triangle 4C3. Okay. Ngayon, as we all know that a triangle measures, or the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So, the angle 2 plus angle A plus angle 1 is equals to 180 degrees. Okay? And also, for the triangle 4C3, the angle 4 plus the angle C plus angle 3 is also 180 degrees. So, kapag pinagsama natin sila, pag pinag-add natin yung measures ng interior angles ng dalawang triangle na to, so we have 180 degrees plus 180 degrees, that would be 360 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, ang sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Okay, nakasunod ba? Okay, next. How about for exterior angles? O, paano naman daw pagka exterior yung hinahanap natin? Again, if we extend each sides, magkakaroon tayo ng mga panibagong angles. Yung mga exterior angles. Magkakaroon tayo ng mga exterior angles here. Okay, so exterior angles, we have, okay, so for exterior angles, we have the angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. So again, angle A plus angle 1, okay? So, they are supplementary angles kasi nakabuo sila ng isang linear pair. Linear pair sila, okay? Nakabuo sila ng isang straight line. So, 180 degrees ang kanilang measure. And same with angle B plus angle 2. Okay, so these two angles are also supplementary. So, ibig sabihin, 180 degrees din yan. Also with angle C plus angle 3. Ito. Ayan. Okay, they are 180 degrees, or the sum, okay, of their measurement. And also with the angle D plus the angle 4, okay, is equals to 180 degrees. So again, i-add natin sila. So 180, okay, plus 180 plus 180 and 180, or 180 times 4, that would be what? That is 720 degrees. So again, exterior lang ang hinahanap natin. Exterior angles lang. Okay, so again kanina, kinuha natin ang sum of the interior angles, which is 360 degrees. Okay, sasubtract lang natin siya sa 720 degrees. And so, therefore, ito ay sum of interior angles. Okay, subtract lang natin siya. Ito naman, yung 720, sum of interior and exterior angles. Okay. Okay, so if we subtract them, so that would be 360 degrees. So the sum of exterior angle or exterior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Okay, so tama sila Leia, si Ray, at saka si Regine. Okay. How about this one? We have here ano tawag dito sa polygon na to? We have 5-sided polygon. Okay? Ang tawag dyan ay pentagon. Okay, so interior angles, angle A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, so let's find the interior angles muna. Okay, so if we create a diagonal here, okay, that connects the vertex E and B, okay, meron na tayong isang triangle dito. Okay? Pero, kung mapapansin nyo, yung naiwang figure natin sa ibaba ay isa pa ring quadrilateral. Okay? And again, so from a quadrilateral, pwede pa rin tayong mag-create ng two triangles using a diagonal. Okay? So ngayon, meron na tayong 3 triangles. Okay? So meron tayong angle 1, angle 2, and then angle 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So now, from a pentagon, okay, nakagawa tayo ng 3 triangle. Okay, sa triangle 1A2, and then triangle 4, 3, 5, and triangle 6C7. Okay? So again, ang triangle, ang interior angles ng triangle ay 180 degrees. Okay. So the triangle 4, 3, 5 is also 180 degrees. And as well as with the triangle 6C7. So 180 degrees. I-add lang natin sila. Yun yung magiging sum of the interior angle ng polygon na to. And that would be, okay, so tama po si Sir Chino, that is 540 degrees. Okay, tama din si Nelia. Okay, next. Okay, so kung mapapansin natin, from a pentagon, we have 5 sides, diba? Kung mapapansin natin, ang isang pentagon, we have 5 sides. Ang side niya ay 5. Okay? Ang nagawa nating triangle ay 3. So, kanina, balikan natin si quadrilateral. Ang quadrilateral ay four-sided. Okay? Four-sided polygon siya. And out of four sides, nakabuo tayo ng dalawang triangle. Dito naman sa pentagon, five sides siya. Nakabuo naman tayo ng tatlong triangle. So, ibig sabihin, ang bilang ng isang triangle, okay, numbers of triangle of a polygon, makukuha natin siya, okay? So, we have number of side, okay, minus, di ba na kung mapapansin natin, nag-subtract lang tayo ng dalawa. So, kanina sa quadrilateral, 4 side minus 2, nakabuo tayo ng dalawang triangle. Dito naman kay pentagon, 5-sided siya, minus 2, we have 3 triangles. So, the number of triangle, makukuha natin siya by n minus 2. So, without illustrating, so kung hindi na tayo mag-illustrate, just subtract 2 by the number of sides or from the number of sides. How about the number or the sum of the interior angles? Okay, so kanina sa quadrilateral, di ba? Nag-180 plus 180 tayo. Okay? Kasi meron tayong dalawang triangles doon. Dito naman kay pentagon, nakabuo tayo ng tatlong triangles. So, nag-add tayo ng tatlong 180. Or, it could also be, multiply lang natin yung number of triangle by 180. Okay? So, the number of, or the sum of the interior angles of any polygon, makukuha natin yan by multiplying the number of triangles, so ito yung number of triangles natin, by 180 degrees. Okay? Nakasunod ba? Okay? So, how about naman kung each, yung bawat angle naman daw? Paano naman natin makukuha yung bawat angle? So, suppose this pentagon is a regular polygon. When we say regular polygon, okay, same ang measurement ng sides niya at ibig sabihin, same din yung measurement ng angles nila. So, paano naman daw makukuha ang interior angles? Okay, so that would be, i-divide lang natin si sum of the interior angles ito. Okay, so each naman, lagay natin measurement of each interior angles. Okay. So, para makuha naman to, i-divide lang natin si sum of the interior angles by the number of sides. Okay? So, that would be n minus 2 times 180 degrees. That is the sum of the interior angles all over the number of sides. So, katulad dito naman sa pentagon natin, suppose this one is a regular pentagon, kunin natin yung measure ng each interior angles. So, ang sum ng interior angles nila ay 540 degrees. Divided by the number of sides, which is 5. Okay, so 540 divided by 5. Okay, ang bilis po talaga ni Sir Gino. That is 108 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, ang bawat angle na to, okay, itong angle B, angle C, D, and E ay merong 108 degrees. Okay, so tama rin si Jade Abby Reyes. Okay. Oh, let's try this. What is the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex heptagon? So, when we say heptagon, okay, so 7-sided polygon siya. Okay, so we have n minus 2 is equals to 180 degrees. So, ano ba yung n natin? Number of side. Okay, so the number of sides of a heptagon is 7. Okay, minus 2, that is multiplied by 180. And 7 minus 2 is 5 times 180, that would be 900. Okay, ang bibilis. Okay, tama po si Ray Mangubat and of course si Sir Chino. Okay, next. How about this? If each interior angle of a polygon is 36, okay, how many sides does the polygon have? Okay, paano naman daw ito? Ang exterior angle daw ng bawat polygon ay 36. Okay, how many sides does the polygon have? So, katulad sabi natin kanina, ang exterior or the sum of the exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degrees. Di ba? Okay, ang gagawin lang natin, i-divide lang natin siya sa number of sides. Okay, so 360 over n is equals to 36 given. So, ang hinahanap natin yung value ni n. Okay, so cross-multiply lang tayo. So, n times 36, that is 36n is equals to 360 degrees. Divide both sides by 36. So, cancel na si 36. So, n is 360 divided by 36 and that would be 10. So, ibig sabihin, that is 10 sides. Okay, or 10-sided polygon. Okay, next, how about this? Okay, so summarize lang natin yung kanina natin. Okay, so we have here 5 polygons. We have here the triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, and heptagon. Okay, so let's enumerate the number of sides. Number of sides ng triangle, of course, 3. Quadrilateral is 4. Pentagon is 5, hexagon is 6, and heptagon is 7. Okay, so number of triangles formed. So from triangle, so hindi naman tayo pwede maglagay ng diagonal sa triangle kasi hindi naman ito vertex, okay? Hindi dalawang vertex ang mako-connect natin. So the number of triangle is 1. How about for quadrilateral? Okay, so pwede tayo maglagay ng isang diagonal. So, from a quadrilateral, magkakaroon tayo ng 2 triangles. Okay, for pentagon, so we will have 3 triangles. And then, hexagon, that is 4 triangles. And for heptagon, we have now 5 triangles. So, katulad nga kanina sinabi ko, just subtract 2 sa number of side ng polygon natin. So, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, 6 minus 2 is 4, and 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, next, sum of the measures of the interior angles naman. So, for triangle, of course, that is 180 degrees. Kay quadrilateral naman, 360 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, minumultiply lang natin yung number of triangles formed by 180. So, 180 times 1 is 180. 180 times 2 is 360. So, 180 times 3, that is 540. And then, 180 times 4 is 720. And for heptagon, 5 triangles multiplied by 180, that is 900. Okay, so that is the sum of the interior angles, measures of the interior angles. Okay, next, how about each interior angles? So, kanina, each interior angles. Okay, again, number of side. So, ano lang natin siya as n. And then, number of triangles formed. As I've said, just subtract 2. Okay, so number of side minus 2. And then, measure, or the sum of the measures of the interior angles, just multiply the number of triangles formed by 180. And, measure of each interior angles. Paano naman natin makukuha si each interior angles? So, dapat, suppose this one, itong mga figures natin ay regular polygon. Okay? So, again, when we say regular polygon, same ang measure ng sides and the angles. Ayan. Yes po, Sir Chino. Assume that they are regular polygon. Okay. So, paano natin makukuha si measure of each interior angles of regular, okay, regular polygon? So, that is the sum of the interior angles, okay, divided by the number of sides, okay? So, for triangle, so the measure of each interior angle, so 180, okay? 180 divided by the number of sides. So, 180 divided by 3, okay? And that would be 60, okay? So, bawat angle daw or interior angle ng regular polygon ay 60 degrees. Okay, next, for quadrilateral, so 360 divided by the number of side, which is 4. Okay, so 360 divided by 4, what would be the answer? Okay, si Lea Soriano po, sa 60 kay triangle, yes. Okay, so 360 for quadrilateral, 360 divided by 4, that would be, yes, 90 degrees. For pentagon, 540 degrees divided by the number of side, which is 5. Yun. Sir Chino, 90 degrees. Yes po, kay Ma'am Catlea Soriano, 90 degrees. Yes, for the quadrilateral. Okay, so for pentagon naman, okay, ayun, si Sir Chino. Sabi po ay 108 degrees. So, 540, i-divide lang natin sa number of side, which is 5. So, that is 108. Yes, Nell, Leah, 108. Okay, how about for hexagon? For hexagon, so we have here 720 degrees divided by 6. What would be the answer? 720 degrees divided by 6, that would be, yes, 120 degrees. Tama po sila Sir Chino, Catlea Soriano, Jade Abby, Regine Alejado, and Ray Mangubat. Okay, last, for the heptagon, we have the sum of the measure of the interior angle is 900 degrees divided by 7. What would be the answer? Ano daw yung measure ng bawat interior angle ng isang heptagon, regular heptagon? Sige nga po, paki-comment po. That would be, okay, so that would be 128.57 degrees. Okay, next, how about the measure of each exterior angle? Okay, sa exterior naman, yung bawat angle sa labas, okay, sa labas ng isang polygon. So again, that is 360, which is the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon divided by the number of sides. So 360 divided by n. Okay, so 360 divided by 3 for triangle, that is 120. For quadrilateral, that is 90. Next, 360 for heptagon divided by 5. That would be 72 degrees. And then for hexagon, 360 degrees divided by 6, that is 60. And for heptagon, okay, 128.57, 360 divided by 7, that is 51.43. Okay, so kung mapapansin natin, yung each interior angle and each exterior angle, okay, pag pinag-add natin sila, 60 and 120, that is 180 degrees. Of course, because exterior and interior angle, a pair of interior and exterior angle, ay supplementary angle sila. Di ba? Nakaka-form sila ng linear. O, they are linear pair. So, ibig sabihin, pag pinag-add silang lahat, okay, pinag-add bawat pair, equal yan sa 180 degrees. Okay? Okay, find the number of sides of a regular polygon. Okay, when the sum of the measure of its interior is given. Okay, so ilan daw yung sides of a regular polygon when the sum of measures of its interior angle is given. Okay, so for example, we have 1,260 degrees. Okay, ilan sides daw? Sige nga, pakitry nga ito. Sabi ni Ray Mangubat, 9. Okay, bakit kaya naging 9? Okay, bakit siya naging 9? Because 1,260, it could be, divide natin siya, possible to ha, 1,260 degrees, divide lang natin siya kay 180, and that would be 7. Okay, 7 to, yung number of triangles. Ang tinatanong ay number of sides. Okay, number of sides. Paano ba natin makukuha yung number of sides? Just add 2. Kasi sa number of triangles, di ba, nagsasubtract tayo ng 2. So, therefore, kung ang hinahanap naman natin ay number of sides, okay, mag-a-add lang naman tayo ng 2 sa number of triangles. So, therefore, we have 9 sides. Okay, how about for number 2? Okay, number 2 pala to. Okay, we have 1,620 degrees. Okay, 1,620 degrees. O, ilang sides naman meron ito? Okay. Ray Mangubat, si Sir Chino, Regine Alejado, 11. Okay. So, divide lang natin sa 180 degrees. And that would be 9. And then, add tayo ng 2. So, that would be 11 sides. Okay. Okay, tama rin sila Jade, Abby, si Ma'am Catlea Soriano. Okay, that would be the end of our discussion today. So, salamat po muli sa pagtutok ninyo sa ating online session. So, again, see you next Friday, same time, 1:40 to 2:20 p.m. And sama-sama tayo maging matatalinong learners. Bye! Thank you din po, Sir Chino. Thank you po, Ma'am Catlea. Salamat po.
Sigurado ako na marami ka na namang natutuhan sa ating ETUlay tutorial session ngayong araw. Tandaan, ito ay hindi lamang para sa ating mga mag-aaral, kundi pati rin sa ating mga minamahal na guro at mga magulang na kaagapay natin para maituloy ang pagkatuto sa kabila ng nararanasang pandemya. Patuloy ding sumubaybay sa DepEd TV para sa mga araling ginawang video episodes. Mapapanood ito mula Lunes hanggang Sabado, alas 7 ng umaga hanggang alas 7 ng gabi sa inyong mga telebisyon. Abangan sa Lunes mula 1:00 ng tanghali ang iba pang aralin sa ating ETUlay free online tutorial session sa Science. I-like and subscribe at manatiling nakasubaybay sa ating ETUlay tutorial session sa DepEd Edtech Unit FB page at Educational Technology Unit channel sa YouTube at sa DepEd Tayo at DepEd Philippines social media accounts. Paalam!